channel. Today let us discuss about the gametogenesis. You all know that gametogenesis means what? The process of formation of gametes, and the gametes are of two types. One is male gamete and the second one is female gamete, right? So the process of formation of male and the female gametes in testes and ovaries is known as gametogenesis. See, this gametogenesis are of two types. First type is known as spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis. And the second type is oogenesis. Today, let us study about the spermatogenesis first, then we will go for oogenesis. This spermatogenesis takes place in males, whereas oogenesis in females. Let us study one by one in detail. Now let us go for spermatogenesis. As you all know that spermatogenesis means it is the process of formation of sperms, and where sperms are formed in the seminiferous tubules. In the seminiferous tubules of testes, the sperms are formed, and the process of formation of the sperms is termed as spermatogenesis. See, for the spermatogenesis, following events takes place such as multiplication phase, next is growth phase, and third is maturation phase. These are the three phases which are involved in spermatogenesis. First, let us go for the multiplication phase. Multiplication phase. It's a first phase, and keep a note on it here. The seminiferous tubule contains two types of cells. Two types of cells. They are, the first kind of cell is known as gonial cell. Gonial cells. This gonial cells develops into sperms, or it is also known as sperm mother cell or spermatogonium. Okay, and second type of a cells is Sartorius cells. Sartorius cells. This Sartorius cells gives nourishment for the developing sperms. This Sartorius cells gives what? Nourishment for the developing sperms. See, this is spermatogonium. Okay, first germinal epithelial cell undergoes mitosis and it forms the spermatogonium. Okay, and where it is present means in the inner side of seminiferous tubule. See, where it is produced, spermatogonium is present on the inner side of seminiferous tubule. The inner side of the seminiferous tubule has this spermatogonia, and this spermatogonia multiply by mitotic division and it increases in its number. See, this spermatogonia undergoes mitosis, that is equational division, and it increases in its number, and each spermatogonium has 46 chromosomes, hence 2n diploid in nature. This is about multiplication phase, and the second phase is growth phase. Growth phase. See here, this spermatogonia the resultant is said to be the primary spermatocyte. And this forms what? Primary spermatocyte. Next, the third phase, maturation phase. Maturation phase. See, in maturation phase, this primary spermatocyte, and this is also diploid 2N, it is indicated by 2N, you can see here. This diploid primary spermatocyte undergoes first meiotic division. It undergoes what? The first meiotic division, and it results in the formation of secondary spermatocyte, and this secondary spermatocyte is what? Haploid. See here, the primary spermatocyte undergoes, this is primary spermatocyte, undergoes meiotic division. That is first meiotic division, and this forms what? Secondary spermatocyte, that is 2 in number, and that is haploid, that means N. It undergoes first meiotic division resulting in the formation of secondary spermatocyte, and it is haploid N. And again, this secondary spermatocyte undergoes second meiotic division. This undergoes meiosis 2, or the second meiotic division, which results in the formation of 4 spermatids. 4 spermatids, and it is also haploid in number, and we can call it as haploid daughter cells. And this spermatids undergoes a process called Spermiogenesis. Here you can see the spermatids undergoes a process called what? Spermiogenesis. That means nothing else but, see, it is the differentiation of spermatids into sperms. Okay, and that is nothing else but a metamorphosis or differentiation of spermatids to form the sperms, and this process is known as spermiogenesis, and this is how the sperms are formed during spermatogenesis. This is an important chart, and this can be asked for 3 marks, right? And if they ask for explanation, then this question will be for 5 marks. Hope you have understood.